Alright, what do you guys think? Should we trade in? Should we trade in? Nah. What do you guys think? Drop a comment down below. Yo, I told Danny to rev it just for the cop. That's just funny as hell. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for clicking on another video. My name is Viet, otherwise known as F80 Ho, and you're watching another vlog today. Today we are on the way with my boy Danny and Caleb in the M4. We're on the way to a BMW dealership actually right now to see if we can find a G80 and give you guys a review and see if we can find one in person so I can give you my honest thoughts. So stay tuned for that. We are just mobbing, taking some back roads to the BMW dealership. We got Caleb in the M4. We're all meeting up to hang out and go check out this G80. I'm personally not a fan, so we'll see what happens. But I think they have one there in a Sao Paulo yellow, so we'll see. I think in person it's gonna look better than on Instagram and pictures that I've seen, and you know why I don't like it so much with the grill. But I'll catch up with you guys then. We're just mobbing out right now, hanging out Saturday with the boys. I just got my oil change done and my strut pinch bolts replaced at WTF Motorsports. There's no more squeaking, so shout out to them. I am super happy. Alright, we're pulling into the BMW dealership now. Hopefully they have a G80 here. Wonder if they're gonna look at us like we're freaking bums, but we'll see. I see it. I fucking see it. I see the G80 right there. Let's go. Is that a Supra? Caleb suggested that we should ask the sales rep if we can buy our own cars. But check it out. G80 in Sao Paulo yellow. What? No problem. Alright, here it is in all its glory. Here it is, sir. Here it is. The G80 M3. Dude, honestly, I can't. So this looks like the base model non-competition, but it's still super clean. Let me see it.
Listen.
Alright, what's your honest opinion?
Everyone's that's saying the clutch is bad, they're capping. The clutch feels fine.
Wayne's capping.
Tranny feels amazing.
Okay, give us the review again.
No, honestly, the transmission, fine. Clutch, I don't know what anyone's talking about. Clutch feels fine. Yeah, it's like mine, honestly. The clutch feels fine. It feels good.
Alright, but Danny, what's the honest review of the exterior, interior?
In person, the grill doesn't bother me, honestly. Like, in person, it looks good. I hear I&D's coming out with a fix for the front strip to kind of...
For sure.
Bring some more balance, but no, it's a solid car. The interior is amazing.
You don't think it looks like a bucktooth beaver?
No. In person, I've changed my mind. I like it.
This man's always a fan, though.
Bro, I've liked this car since the lease.
I've always been a hater. Same. Okay.
the oxide gray, which I think is an individual.
Alright, so honest opinion, it doesn't look that bad. The grills aren't that bad on this color spec, especially because they have this thick plastic piece that breaks up the grill. So, I mean, on the Sao Paulo yellow, it doesn't look that bad, but on other colors, I'm not a fan of it. But she said that there's more color combos upstairs, so that's what we're gonna go do. We're gonna go see, and there's also another spec that has the carbon buckets, so let's go. But overall, not bad. Not gonna lie, not bad. Alright, we're walking through the showroom now, on the way to find another G80 or G82. But we stumbled upon this red heritage version M4. I've actually never seen the red version. I've only seen the purple version. But damn, this looks sick.
It needs a diffuser and exhaust. SUV, like a crossover.
Oh shit! So we basically own the dealership, so we walk around wherever we want.
Yeah, we do what we want.
She said go. Yeah.
We're like, yeah, that sucks. That sucks. That sucks. This is trash.
So here's a G82 in black, and this is the only color that people actually like because it hides the grille. But honestly, it doesn't look too bad. This one has the white interior, white leather. It doesn't have the carbon buckets yet, but not bad, not bad. Yeah. Oh, the rear end of the M4 I think looks better than the G. Yeah, the M3 or the M4 rear looks better than the M3.
I'm waiting to see the quad exhaust setup with the center mount. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, they even have bigger tips. So yeah, you guys can see the rear. The diffuser is actually really aggressive in the tips, which I like. The M4 rear looks a lot better than the M3. These are the same wheels as the one we saw inside. Still no carbon buckets though. Interior is okay. I don't know, it's not bad. The 18 G82, in my opinion, is actually is nicer looking than this. I don't like how there's no wide fenders on the M4, and that's just my personal opinion. And then the front end is just, I think, is horrendous. So you can't tell me that looks better than my car or the front end of the F82. I mean, you're kidding. You're kidding, you're kidding. The laser lights are dope, yes, but that's about it. You're gonna have to put, the fact that you have to mod your front end to make it look good or sell it to me, it's just not my car. It's not the car for me. So just my personal opinion. F80 purist, I guess. F-series purist. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about this spec. It's aight. It's aight. So she said there's a Donington Gray G80 over here somewhere, so we're on the hunt to go find that right now. I guess they're super relaxed here and super chill because they just let us walk around, and yeah, they let us walk around and do whatever we want. So on the hunt to find the Brooklyn Gray G80, we found Danny's trade-in, the Supra. Telling him to trade in right now. We're literally just walking around the dealership right now, like honing around, trying to find this Brooklyn Gray G80 with the carbon bucket seats. So we're on the hunt.
That was a lie.
Here's Danny's trade-in car right here on Titans.
Breaking my heart.
Yo,
right
trade
now.
in, trade in.
I want it so bad.
Trade in, trade in.
We'll get the suction cups to put like.
We outside. We got an 840i. Look at this paint. It's like a gray with a brown gold sparkle. I'm a fan. It looks sick. Look at that. In the sun, it looks sick. But yeah, we're just walking around the dealership. They just remodeled this dealership, so it's super nice. Literally just walking around trying to find this one G80 or G82 with the carbon buckets. Yes, sir. Alright, so here's a 430i, but honestly it has the same fenders as the G82. So, I mean, it even has the same basically interior too, which is super nice, don't get me wrong. But if I had to choose between the G80 and the G82, not even coming from a F80, I'd have to go with the G80 because the fender arches up front and the rear, and in the rear, like come out way more than this. They're more profound. But I do have to give it to the 4 Series with a more aggressive rear end.
What about getting an Austin minivan?
Oh yeah. It's fun. I learned in 2 days.
What do you guys think? Drop a comment down below. I do like the where the M1 buttons are on the steering wheel and the steering wheel itself. Obviously the digital cluster is dope. The gears feel really nice. I actually dig where the start stop is in here as well, and then all the carbon looks super dope. Looks super dope. Again, I would trade this interior in my car, but I would not trade the exterior.
A little cheap.
All right, what we thinking? What we thinking?
Looks cheap.
Looks cheap. No carbon.
Yeah.
No carbon brace.
Yeah, no carbon brace. But other than that, looks fairly good. Like serviceability wise, the fuel pump.
This is where the vents would be if they were vents.
So the lady just informed us that the Brooklyn gray one that we're looking for with the carbon buckets might have been sold. So the customer might have drove off with it, but we have this Sao Paulo yellow one to look at again. Pop the hood. S58 of course, which is a beast. But again, drop a comment down below. What do you guys think about the grill? Yes or no?
But I think it's for taste.
Yo, look at the color on this M4. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it's like a purple metallic blue San Marino with like purple flakes in it. It's crazy. And it has the OLEDs as well. Yeah, I'm about to ask the sales rep to buy these two right here. They already know. Yo, how much? How much?
Yeah, I want this one.
Yeah, I want this one. How much? How much?
55.
I need Caleb's hood one day. GTS boys. So nice. So nice. We got a scat pack that just parked next to us. Man doesn't want the smoke. Look at that. Woo! Best looking car here. Alright, so we just left the dealership. We are on the way to get some boba and then take some pictures as well. So we're just mobbing out. It's a pretty overcast day in Orlando, but it's a super nice day for photos. We're mobbing out with Danny and Caleb right now. Caleb's M4 sounds sick. Danny's M235 sounds super loud as well. Sheesh. Mobbing out with the boys today. Alright, we just pulled up to this one photo spot that I've shot at before. It's this dope modern architecture building with some bamboo. Just gonna do a quick little photo shoot and head home, but it's one of my favorite spots to shoot at in Winter Park. So sick. Alright, we just left the photo shoot location. Shout out to Caleb and Danny for hanging out today. But I'm on the way home now, so I'm gonna wrap up today's vlog. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below about the G80 and the G82 that we saw. I mean, I'm still not a believer, and I still think my car looks better, so that's just my opinion. Wrap up today's video. Make sure you leave a like,